Hey guys, it's Alexander again. It's nice to see that you guys have joined me once again on my vending machine journey. We're about to head out to one of my automotive locations where I have set up a combo machine. I haven't checked it in 2 weeks now, so let's go check it out and see how much money's in there. Hey guys, just made that collection. It was a pretty good one. As you guys can see, I made a fair amount of cash. It was a nice collection. It was a good one.